going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom, back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Concepts x Air Max 1 collaboration. Let's get into it. First, you got this nice box that has Nike on top of the box with these different colors along with a Nike check with this flower material going on. On this side of the box, you got the flowery Nike check. This side of the box has Concepts with the letters in different colors. And then we're going to get to the front of the box and it reads Nike Air Max 1 SP. And the colorway is multicolor sale. Let's get into it. We're going to open up this box and you have this very nice tissue paper on the inside of the box. It's red and it has a Nike on the top with all these flowers going around the symbol. Nice touch to the box. I love boxes that have, you know, that's different when they have collaborations. But then we're going to get into the main ingredient of this video, the shoe. The Nike Air Max 1 collaboration with Concepts. And this is the heavy edition. Where do we start? Like, this shoe right here has crazy details. Like, I mean, you got different types of denim and different colors and everything in the shoe. It just goes together, makes this shoe look so very nice. I love this shoe. I mean, I know there's plenty of reviews out there on these. I done seen them all myself, but I just had to get my own review because, man, this shoe is just so nice. I mean, I know the three shoes to this whole collaboration. This is the second one. The first one that came out was mellow. Then you had this one right here is heavy. And then the last one is the far out one. I don't have those yet. I got them, but I don't have them in yet, so I can't do a review on those. But I had the mellows. So y'all, after you watch this video or before, go tune into the mellow video because I'm doing each one of these videos separately just because each shoe, it deserves its own video because they all is its own shoe and they're all different. So let me stop talking and let's get into the aspects of this shoe. All right, we're gonna start on this side of the shoe, and then you got this Nike check. They had these flowers going all through the Nike check, which is very nice. You had this nice denim, which is like very nice material, like an acid wash denim going all through the side of the shoe right here, all the way up to the toe box of the shoe with this nice acid denim. Then you had these three little specks on the front. They got a moon, a star, and a line. And as I did a little research, it's saying that this symbolizes the Woodstock tickets from back in the 60s when they had the concerts, which these shoe is based on the Woodstock era and the hippie era. So that's what those three symbols stand for on this shoe. Then you had this nice tiger camo come across the whole front of the toe box, which is a very nice touch. You got your black, you got your tan, and then you got your green all coming through right here on this tiger camo going all the way around the bottom of the shoe also. Then we're going to get to the back of the shoe. They had this nice orange bandana material coming across the back of the shoe. And then you got this it says Nike with threading in the back. And then you got these little extra threads that they left on the shoe, which is pretty nice and different that they didn't cut off. So that just makes it stand out even more. And then also on the back of the shoe, it says Concepts written on the back. It's in blue, white, and I would say that's like a red color material going on the back of the shoe that says Concepts. You can see it says Concepts back there. Then we're going to get back to the front of the shoe. We're going to go over these shoelaces. They had this nice brownish, light brown shoestrings going on right here with the back of the tongue of the shoe, which is like a nice nice brown leather material on that tongue right there. As you see, if I scratch it, it shows, but since it's a good material, you just wipe it like that and it goes back off. Then it had on the tongue, you got your Nike with the old Nike symbol with an old Nike check right here. And then on the bottom of that says Concepts in your different colors on the tongue also. We're going to get to this little spit right here on the top of the eyelid. This blue, it looks like a light blue corduroy material going on right here on the shoe, which is so very nice. Then we're going to go to the shoestrings. As you know, it came with 2 extra laces. I had took that one out. Look, it came with the white extra laces. And then they come with these velvet brown laces, which was very nice. I took them out because I wanted to see how they look in the shoe, but when I wore them, but I end up keeping these in. But these right here are also a very nice touch to the shoe. Just depends on what you're wearing. If you like this type of velvet material, which is very different because you rarely see this on shoelaces, so this is a very nice one. Or you just keep in the white ones if you want to just keep it simple, but I kept in the brown ones, which is very nice. Then we're gonna get to the inside of the shoe that says, well, it doesn't say nothing, just got Nike on the inside there with the different material on the inside of that shoe. Let's pull that out because I think it got a bunch of stuff on it, so I just want to see how it looks on the inside when I pull it out. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Very colorful, very nice. Inside of the shoe, and on the inside doesn't have anything left on that either. But yeah, then we got this nice brown material coming around the sock liner up here. It got like ripples in it. Kind of reminds you of a corduroy, but it's not. It's just like a rippled material coming across the ankle of the shoe. Then we're gonna flip back around over here to this side of the shoe. Shoe comes with a guitar pick. Very nice, different. And on one side it says Concepts, and on the other side it just says Nike, which is very nice touch to the shoe in silver. Then we're gonna talk about this Nike check that's white, yellow, and orange, which is very nice. Now it also still has this nice acid denim material going across this side of the shoe. Then we're gonna come back to the front right here by the shoestring, and we got this nice cow looking material. Yeah, cow skin, well, cow fur coming across this part of the shoe right here, which is, man, this is a very nice shoe. Then we're gonna get to the bottom of the shoe. You got your nice gum bottom, which is nice. And then on the side of the shoe, going across around the whole shoe, you got this nice cell rubber, which you got your normal Air Max 1 air bubble right here. And then if you look closely, you see little dirt specks right here. That's supposed to symbolize the dirt from when you was outside in the concert. This is what your shoe would end up looking like if you wore some shoes out there, because with everybody out there, all the dirt particles would have splashed up on your shoes, and this is what they would have ended up looking like. It's on the whole shoe, which is very nice just to even think about that concept of what happens at a concert on, you know, on people's shoes is just totally different and nice. So that's just very nice shoe. This was the left shoe. Let's get to the right shoe. Looks the same way pretty much, except for the denim material, the denim acid. As you can see, every shoe is going to be different because it just depends on what part of the denim that they put on your shoe. So this one is light going around the hole, which the other one I had a little bit of dark on the toe box of it, but this one right here just look mainly light. This light acid wash denim going across here. Still got the 3 speckles right here with the sun. I mean, not the sun, with the moon, the star, and a line that symbolizes the Woodstock tickets. You got this tiger camo coming right across the whole front of the toe box right here. Going around the shoe, you got this nice sail coming around the shoe with these nice little speckles on the bottom of the shoe for the dirt that goes on when you would have been at the concerts. We're gonna get to the back of the shoe. You got this orange bandana material with this Nike check with the white threading coming out. Inside of the shoe looks the same way. Well, the back of the shoe, sorry, still has Concepts going across the back of the shoe. You got this nice brown rippled material coming across the ankle of the shoe. And on the inside of the shoe, this one actually says Concepts. So let me pull this one out also so you can see how the bottom of that one looks, which is very nice. It says, it's gonna come out. All right. It says Concepts, and then it has this right here, and then it got a little thing that reads, this first shoe contains real fur, and it has Doven fur, and the fur originated in Brazil. So that's, you know, that was on the bottom of the shoe, I mean inside the shoe. So this one and that one together, I don't know if they're supposed to connect. Either way, they, you know, it's like a whole pattern thing they got going on, which is just very nice touch to this shoe. Still got this light blue corduroy right here on the eyelids, the brown shoestrings, and you got the Nike check, Nike up here with the old Nike symbol, and it says Concepts. And yeah, man, this shoe was just this shoe was just nice. I mean, this whole collaboration was nice. All 3 of the shoes are nice. They all had their own different aspects of each one, so that's why I said I was gonna do each one have its own video. But this is the heavy edition. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you go for any of them? Did you hit one of the 2 of the 3, or did you hit all 3 of them for retail? Y'all let me know. Did you even go for? Did you even like them? I mean, I don't understand how you probably couldn't, because this shoe is dope. But I mean, hey, you know, everybody has their own preference. So let me know, did y'all go for these? Let's flip back to this side. I forgot to show you that this side right here has the acid denim wash, and this one is real dark. See, this material right here got it's a dark blue, in which my other shoe didn't even have. The other shoe was just light. So that's how you could tell they used different parts of denim, and everybody's shoe is gonna look different. Some people's shoes are gonna be all dark, or some people's shoes are gonna be all light. So it just depends on which part they use for yours. But yeah, that's just what made each shoe different. And this just was, like I said, a very nice shoe. Can't go wrong. I mean, perfect collaboration. Yeah, that's all I got for these. This is the heavy edition. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about these. Did you go for them or did you pass on them? Just let me know which one you got if you did get one. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Continue to like, subscribe, continue to follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting my videos. And that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.